Hi everyone, this is Manu Rao back with another interesting video. In this video, we are going to drive a train that is TBM NCJ Antyodaya Express with brand new AJJ WAG 7 locomotive. Special thanks for BSAM for his beautiful AJJ WAG 7 locomotive. And also I would like to tell special thanks for Vipin Krishna for his beautiful activity. The route which I use in this video is Southern Railways V2 route, which is made by Karthik Iyer sir. Special thanks for Karthik Iyer sir for this beautiful route. Enjoy the beautiful cab ride of AJJ WAC 7 locomotive. In this video, we are going to see crossing of freight train in one of the station. And also in this video, we are going to enjoy the beautiful nature in Southern Railways V2. The cab view is fully animated and working. Let's have some beautiful rail fanning experience of AJJ WAG 7 locomotive, which is leading TBM NCJ Antyodaya Express. One more important thing is that please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting gameplay videos in MSTS and Open Rails. Let's make a horn because we are crossing unnamed level crossing. Enjoy the beautiful crossing near unnamed level crossing. The Southern Railways version 2 route covers major cities of Tamil Nadu. It is a beautiful route with beautiful nature. Let's have some beautiful view near door view. Enjoy the beautiful cab ride of AJJ WAC 7 locomotive. Let's make a long horn because we are crossing unnamed level crossing. So our duty is to warn the other vehicles that we are crossing. You can see the beautiful, shiny and clean texture in AJJ WAG 7 locomotive. Beautiful work done by BSAM. Enjoy the beautiful crossing near unnamed level crossing. Enjoy the beautiful windmills which is placed in Southern Railways V2 route. It looks so realistic and it brings the feeling that we are making a journey in real life. Whenever I used to play MSTS game, most of the time I used to play the game by using 3D cab view, because while driving the train in 3D cab view, it will bring the realistic feeling that we are driving a train in a real life. enjoy the beautiful LHP track sound. We can see the spark light near pantograph. We are very near to the next station, so let's slow down our train and enjoy the beautiful view of AJJ VAC 7 locomotive, which looks so realistic. We are approaching Gangai Kondam station, so let's slow down our train. We can see that red signal in track monitor. I think there will be some crossing will take place, I think, because signal is red in track monitor. Let's see. As we are approaching Gangai Kondam station, enjoy the beautiful station of Gangai Kondam. Enjoy the beautiful sound of brake applying, gate sound. We can see the busy Gangai Kondam station with lots of passengers standing on the platform, and also we can see some trucks next to our track. We are very near to the red signal, so let's apply the brake of the train and let's slow down our train. We can see there some train which is coming towards Gangai Kondam station. As we can see that the train which is coming towards Gangai Kondam station is the right train which is led by Twin UBL WDG special color loco. Enjoy the beautiful approaching action of freight train which is led by Twin UBL special color loco. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming gameplay videos in MSTS and OpenRace, and please keep supporting my channel.